Ever wondered why generating leads in affiliate marketing seems like finding a needle in a haystack? Well, you're not alone in this struggle. The journey of affiliate marketing is often filled with hurdles, and one of the most daunting ones is lead generation. It's like a constant tug of war where you're trying to pull in potential customers, but they seem to be resisting your efforts. Imagine this. You've crafted the perfect affiliate marketing strategy. You've chosen the best products and services to promote, created a stunning website, and you're ready to rake in the profits. But then, you hit a brick wall. Where are the customers? Why isn't anyone clicking on your affiliate links? This is where many affiliate marketers find themselves, stuck in a quagmire of low traffic. It's like throwing a grand party, but the guests forgot to show up. And without traffic, there are no leads, no conversions, no commission. You see, it's a domino effect, and it all starts with lead generation. But the struggle doesn't end there. Even if you manage to attract a decent amount of traffic, there's another hurdle to overcome: low conversion rates. Not every visitor to your site will click on your affiliate links and make a purchase. In fact, the average conversion rate in affiliate marketing is often less than 1%. That's like fishing in a vast ocean and only catching a tiny minnow. And let's not forget the quality of leads. This is another common struggle faced by affiliate marketers. Not all leads are created equal, some are just window shoppers, while others are ready to buy. The challenge is separating the wheat from the chaff and nurturing the high-quality leads. Lead generation is the lifeblood of any affiliate marketing business. It's the fuel that keeps the engine running. Without it, your affiliate marketing journey can quickly turn into a wild goose chase. But worry not, there's a method to this madness, and we're about to delve into it. Scene script. Lead generation sounds technical, doesn't it? But it's simpler than you think. Imagine you're at a party. You've got your eye on someone across the room. You don't just walk over and ask them to marry you, right? That would be absurd. Instead, you introduce yourself, start a conversation, and gradually build a relationship. Now let's take this analogy and apply it to business. Your company is you at the party, and the person across the room is your potential customer. Lead generation is essentially that process of introduction and relationship building. It's the method of attracting and converting strangers and prospects into someone who has shown interest in your company's product or service. Maybe they discovered your business through one of your marketing campaigns, your social media page, or even by word of mouth, and they clicked a link that led them to your website. Perhaps they were browsing your site, found something they liked and read about it, or maybe they saw a blog post or a company update that intrigued them. These are all potential leads, people who have shown some level of interest in what you have to offer. But that's just the first step. The next part of lead generation involves nurturing these leads, engaging with them, and eventually converting them into customers. Now you're probably thinking, that sounds like a lot of work. And you're not wrong, but here's the thing. Without lead generation, you're just hoping that people will buy your products or services without any persuasion. It's like asking that person at the party to marry you without even introducing yourself. But by engaging in lead generation, you're actively reaching out to potential customers, starting conversations, and building relationships. You're not just waiting for people to come to you, you're going out and finding them, and that proactive approach is what can set your business apart. So, in essence, lead generation is the initiation of consumer interest. Simple, isn't it? Now that we've got the basics down, let's break down the process of lead generation. The first step in this journey is attracting potential leads. And how do we do that? Through content marketing, social media, and search engine optimization, or SEO. Let's start with content marketing. This is all about creating and sharing valuable free content to attract and convert prospects into leads and ultimately into customers. The type of content you share is closely related to what you sell. In other words, you're educating people so that they know, like, and trust you enough to do business with you. Then we have social media. It's a powerful tool to attract potential leads. You can use platforms like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram to share your content and engage with your audience. Remember, the key here is engagement. You want to start conversations, answer questions, and be a part of the community. And of course, we can't forget about SEO. It's all about improving your website's visibility for relevant searches. The better visibility your pages have in search results, the more likely you are to garner attention and attract prospective and existing customers to your business. Once you've attracted potential leads, the next step is to convert them. This is where forms, calls to action, and landing pages come into play. Forms are typically hosted on landing pages that require visitors to fill out in exchange for something valuable, like an ebook or a webinar. Calls to action, on the other hand, are buttons or links that encourage your visitors to take action, like download a free guide or register for a webinar. When it comes to landing pages, this is where a visitor lands after clicking on a link in an email or ads from Google, Bing, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or similar places on the web. Unlike standard web pages, a landing page has a single focused objective: to guide visitors towards your intended conversion goal. Lastly, we move on to closing leads into customers through email marketing and customer relationship management. Email marketing is a form of direct marketing that uses electronic mail as a means of communicating commercial or fundraising messages to an audience. It's a way to stay in touch with your leads and nurture them into becoming your customers. Customer Relationship Management, or CRM, is a system that helps manage your company's interactions with current and future customers. It helps you track your leads, follow up with them, and nurture them through the sales process. In essence, the process of lead generation is a cycle. You attract leads, convert them, close them, and then you start all over again. It's a continuous process that requires constant effort and refinement. But the results are worth it. With a solid lead generation process, you can grow your business and reach new heights. And there you have it, the step-by-step process of generating leads in affiliate marketing. We've covered a lot today, so why don't we summarize the key points? First off, we've acknowledged the struggles of lead generation in affiliate marketing. It's not an easy task, but it's a crucial one. We've spoken about the challenges of finding quality leads, the importance of targeting the right audience, and the need for consistency and patience in your efforts. Next, we delved into understanding lead generation. It's all about attracting and converting strangers and prospects into someone who has indicated an interest in your product or service. Remember, it's not just about quantity, but quality. You want leads who are genuinely interested in what you're offering, as they are more likely to convert into sales. We've also discussed the step-by-step process of generating leads. From identifying your target audience to creating enticing offers, optimizing your landing page, and nurturing your leads with follow-up emails and content, we've covered it all. It's a systematic process that requires strategic planning and diligent execution. One key point to remember is the importance of content in lead generation. Engaging, valuable content is what draws potential leads in and keeps them interested. It's your opportunity to showcase your expertise and build trust with your audience. Another takeaway is the role of SEO in lead generation. By optimizing your content for search engines, you increase your visibility and attract more potential leads. But SEO isn't just about keywords, it's about creating content that answers your audience's questions and meets their needs. We also talked about the power of social media in lead generation. It's a platform where you can engage with your audience, share your content, and attract new leads. But remember, it's not just about posting content, it's about engaging with your audience, responding to their comments, and building relationships. Finally, we highlighted the importance of tracking and analyzing your lead generation efforts. By monitoring your results, you can identify what's working and what's not, and adjust your strategies accordingly. Remember, effective lead generation is the backbone of your affiliate marketing business, so keep these points in mind as you navigate your journey. We've come a long way today, haven't we? We've unraveled the intricacies of affiliate marketing and the challenges of lead generation. But remember, every great journey begins with a single step, and you've already taken that first step by seeking out knowledge. Now it's time to step out of your comfort zone and apply what you've learned. It might be daunting at first, every new venture is, but don't let the fear of stumbling deter you. After all, the road to success is always under construction. There will be hurdles, there will be setbacks, but with every challenge comes an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to become better. Don't just consume knowledge, put it into action. Start generating those leads, start building those relationships. Remember, the key to affiliate marketing is consistency and persistence. With the right strategy and persistence, you too can master the art of lead generation in affiliate marketing. So go ahead, take the plunge and watch your business flourish. What about you? What do you think? Let me know in the comments.